In this video, you'll learn how to print the directory tree in the terminal on an Ubuntu system. This is useful if you want to see the structure of folders and files inside a directory. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T at the same time. To print a directory tree, we will use a tool called tree. But this tool is not installed by default on Ubuntu. So, the first step is to install it. In the terminal, type sudo apt-update, press enter. This command updates the list of available packages. It makes sure you're installing the latest version. Next, type sudo apt install tree, press enter again. You might be asked to type your password. When you type your password, you won't see it on the screen. Just type it and press enter. Now the tree tool will be installed. Once it's done, you can check if it works by typing tree. If you press enter now, the command will show the directory structure starting from your current folder. It will show the folders and files inside using a tree-like format. Now you can scroll using the arrow keys. Press Q to quit. If you only want to see the folders and skip the files, you can add the D option, like this, tree D. This will only show the folder structure. To print the tree structure into a file, you can use this command, tree.txt. This will save the output to a file called tree.txt. You can open it later using any text editor. That's it. Now you know how to install the tree tool and use it to print directory structures in the terminal on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.